Ni hao, mabuhay. My name is Michael Parcon Argonilio, 35 years old, residing in Polomolok South, Cotabato, Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education with a major in General Education at Notre Dame Siana College of Polomolok in the year 2013. I passed the licensure examination for teachers in January 2014. Additionally, I hold a master's degree in educational management from Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges Incorporated, obtained in the year 2022. With 3 years of experience at a private institution, and that is Notre Dame Siana College of Polomolok, and 7 years and 8 months in a public school, and that is Kalingap Integrated School, I wish to upgrade my career path to teach in Taiwan. This desire stems from a wish to gain more valuable experience and develop both personally and professionally. My teaching experiences in both private and public schools have sharpened my potential as an educator and a leader. I am now ready to take all the learnings I've gained to a much more challenging working and teaching environment. I have consistently demonstrated outstanding performance for the last 5 years, showcasing exceptional dedication and commitment to my students. My meticulous lesson planning and engaging teaching methods have resulted in remarkable improvements in student achievement and have helped many students exceed expected standards in their subjects. My ability to adapt to diverse learning needs has also proven effective, with learners of all abilities making significant progress under my guidance. Additionally, I have demonstrated strong collaboration with colleagues, sharing the best practices and resources to enhance the overall quality of teaching and learning within the school. My passion for teaching is evident in my enthusiasm, energy, and passion for my subject area, inspiring my students to develop a love of learning that will benefit them throughout their educational journey. My skills in providing quality education, combined with my excellent communication skills and professional ethics, will greatly benefit your school and the young Taiwanese students. I am excited to apply for the Teach Taiwan program because I want to experience a new culture, develop my Mandarin language skills, make a positive impact on students' lives, and contribute to your country's goal of becoming a bilingual country in the next decade. I am drawn to Taiwan's rich history, vibrant culture, and welcoming people. I am confident that my passion for teaching and learning will enable me to make a meaningful contribution to the education system in Taiwan. My teaching philosophy is centered around ensuring all students reach their full potential through education. I believe in student-centered learning and serve as a bridge to help them achieve their dreams. I am committed to creating an inclusive and supportive classroom environment that fosters the development of 21st century skills, and that it include ICT literacy, communication skills, critical thinking skills, and life and career skills. Once again, this is Michael Parcon Argonilio. Thank you for taking time to consider my application, and I would be happy to hear from you to further discuss my qualifications.